Hello everybody and welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. As my mom is busy with some chores, I decided to help her. I am chopping up the ginger. So you can see that I have chopped the ginger. Now I'll move on to the other work. And my mom has also told me to curdle the milk. So I'll put just a spoonful of this bacteria and put in this. This is boiled milk. I'll put it in this and stir it nicely. So we'll mix till everything is mixed nicely, and the curd will set in 6 hours, somewhat 6 hours, because it's very hot outside here. So she had told me in the morning that she is making some dal. Let's see what dal. So here you can see the dal. It's 50% chana dal and 50% tur dal. She had told me she's making some special dal. Let's ask her what she's making.
Have you finished making the preparation which I asked you to make?
Yeah, everything is done. The ginger is chopped.
Oh, you've already set up the shooting?
Yeah.
Oh, so he started the vlog. Hello everyone. Hi and welcome back to the channel. I think my son here started the vlog today.
Yes.
Anyway, I asked him to see some work. Help me up in the kitchen. Let me see what all he has done. Okay, you finished everything.
Yeah.
Okay, dal.
And what dal you are making today?
Yes, I will tell you. He likes Punjabi food. We are not like my husband and me. We are not big fans of Punjabi food.
Yeah.
But for him today, we are making dal tadka and naan. And just see the difference in the procedure of making naan and dal tadka. It's going to be very simple. How to avoid excess fat. That I'll be showing you in this recipe. So let us start the cooking. So I hope that all of you have been fine. I am fine too, except for the scorching heat, which I will continue saying in all my videos, especially when I am cooking, because Mumbai's weather is getting hot, hotter, and it might get to the hottest, no idea. So I'll show you my prep. I'm starting with making of the dough for the naan, and I'll show you how I make it. So here in a plate, which in Marathi we call it as a parad, I have taken 1.5 cup of wheat flour. I'm taking 1 cup of maida and adding another half cup. So it's completely 3 cups, 50% of wheat flour, 50% of maida. I'm making garlic naan, so I'm adding half a spoon of garlic in the dough itself so that it tastes good. 1 spoon I've added crushed garlic. This is the crush which I make and keep. Half a spoon of nigella seeds I'm adding in the dough itself. Salt to taste. Half a cup of curd, almost 3/4 I'm adding. Half a cup of coriander finely chopped. Half a spoon of baking powder, the same which you use in cake.
Okay, I'll make the dough. So I'll make the dough. Is it okay for you?
But are you going to make it really?
Yes.
I'm adding 2 spoons of oil and he is struggling with me that he wants to make the dough. Okay, make. You want to knead the dough, but you need to knead the dough very soft and add the water as and how required.
Okay.
Okay?
Take ghee. You can put any fat and knead it nicely again. It's almost done. Now I will knead the dough until it is soft and keep it to rest for 15-20 minutes. Now cover the smoothened dough for 20 minutes.
It's a big job done that my son has made the dough. So the dough is resting. I have put in the dal just like that into a kadai. There is no oil, no tempering, nothing. And into this dal, what I am going to add is just red chili powder. But this is Kashmiri red chili powder. And let the dal boil along with the Kashmiri red chili powder. And during the pressure cooking process of dal, I added some salt. That's it. So I'll show you the tadka later on. And this is how you can cut the fat content in dal tadka. We'll proceed towards making the tadka of the dal, and I'm not using 2 tadkas, just 1 tadka. Put the chili, boil the dal for some time, chili powder I mean, and this is the tadka and the dal is done. You can cut the fat here. Dal is boiling there and this is the tadka kadai. I've taken a big kadai because there was already some oil into that. In the hot oil I'm adding 1 big spoon of cumin seed powder and some asafoetida. Dried red chilies and curry leaves. After the curry leaves and the dried red chili, 1 spoon of crushed garlic. 1 heaped spoon of crushed ginger. I forgot to add the chopped onions, I'm adding it now. Into the hot tadka goes in Kashmiri red chili and half a spoon of turmeric chili. You can add as per your taste. Give it a nice mix. Now this hot tadka goes on to the hot dal. I will garnish it with a bit of coriander. Last, I'm adding a dollop of butter on it. So you can see here dal tadka is nice and ready, sitting with a dollop of butter on its face, and I have the fruits of labor pearls on my face. I'm sweating. Yeah, you have done some mistake or what? Acha, you are checking it.
Silly mistakes.
Acha, what about your lunch?
Is it ready?
Maybe 20 minutes.
You're sweating like anything.
Arey, it is very hot in the kitchen. What to do? Oh, I'm sweating as usual. Always it's
Yeah.
hot. What to do?
The fan is on, still it's very hot.
Yes, it's hot. What to do? No option. So welcome back to my heat chamber. I'll just start rolling out the naan and I will take a close up so you can see. So I've made the dough into equal sized balls. They have rested for 20 minutes and I'm going to give a oval shape. So dust in some flour. You don't need the yeast, you don't need anything. You don't need any fermentation time. See, I'm keeping like it thick, something like this, medium thick. You should use a wrought iron pan or something which is not non-stick, but I don't have any non-stick pan. Take the reverse of the naan, slather it with a lot of water and then just put it on the hot pan. Let the naan puff and be cooked in the underside first. So once the top surface curves up, actually you have to hold it to the fire and this is gonna fall down. So I have this trick here and here it goes. So make the flame a little high and just try and roast the naan on the flame. So you see the naan is done. So on this naan I'm slathering ghee and now lunch is getting ready. I'll make few more naans and then I'll meet you. So lunch is ready and it looks delicious. This is nachni papad, curd, dal tadka, naan. So I'm serving these guys now. Now in the midst of cooking I've taken a break because there are some people who have come up to fix some furniture and it's going to take some while. I am just taking a break from my cooking. I'll just check what these people are doing and then I'll get back. So pieces of furniture are just started to come along with the men who are going to come to fix it. So they have stretch wrapped it so that there are no scratches on it. And I think they'll start the fixing in some time, so I'll be busy with this. Arey, what are you doing, boy?
I'm playing Free Fire game. My friends are online.
Online games.
Yeah.
Oh, what all these kids play, I don't understand. We never had any online games. Yes, the kitchen work is still remaining, but I thought that I need to look at myself also in the mirror, and I've been threading. As you see, I have a thread in my hand. I've been threading my brows since 1 year almost, since this COVID issue had happened. And I thought everybody is busy, husband had gone for a meeting anyway, he's come back. And my son is playing online games, so he has exams. So I thought of utilizing this time and doing some eyebrows. Do not attempt to use a thread on yourself if you don't know how to thread, and I am not showing a tutorial. I am just doing it for my own. So eyebrows are done, looking much better than what before. Now I go to the kitchen, back again. So I'm back in the kitchen. Now I want to have filter coffee, so I have kept the filter coffee for making. I had shown you the filter coffee last time, and vegetables are sorted. My hubby has helped me, not helped me actually, he has done it So it is sorted. I've kept it on a newspaper and I've sorted coriander. So some prep is there. Now we are going to have coffee.
Meanwhile, I'll check if the milk has curdled. I put the milk to curdle at the morning. It has taken exactly 6 hours.
Continuous work of drilling is going on and it is making so much of a sound. Oh. So this sound and this work, it will go on for some time more. I need to monitor. I need to go out to the hardware store and get some stuff because they are fixing the door and it's going to take a while. I hope you have enjoyed my vlog. Do subscribe to my channel, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. By the time, take care and love you. Bye bye.